Connecting your MacBook Air or Pro to a Kensington Docking Station is straightforward. First, ensure compatibility. All MacBook Air Pro models since 2016 have USB-C ports, which are necessary. For optimal performance, especially with multiple displays or high data transfer, use a Thunderbolt-compatible dock if your MacBook supports it, 28 plus models. Then, simply plug the USB-C cable from the dock into your MacBook's USB-C Thunderbolt port. macOS should automatically detect the dock and install drivers if needed. Power on the dock if it has a switch. If you have an older MacBook without Thunderbolt, you may need a USB-C to USB-A adapter, but functionality will be limited. This setup instantly expands your MacBook's connectivity, giving you access to more ports for monitors, keyboards, and other peripherals. Once connected, configure your setup in macOS. Go to System Settings and select Displays to arrange your monitors and adjust resolution. For audio and video devices, go to System Settings and select Sound to choose the correct inputs. If you encounter issues like a monitor not displaying, first restart your MacBook and the dock. Then check for firmware updates for the Kensington dock using the Companion app or macOS software update. For power-related issues, ensure the dock provides sufficient wattage for your MacBook, up to 100 watts for newer models. In System Information, check the power delivery status. Avoid overloading the dock's ports, as this can cause performance issues. For cable-related issues, use USB-IF certified cables to avoid data corruption.